very London. So but I don't know when moment the we ye kwe ye manari ms lebe no and now okay no wala are you a day area denena away every natala agitara agite
ijo retaliate longtemps ijo na we amu we blabo na we ekwe ye mu go ju wo menne nu bia na bia me a
me amamu go ya wo
iji no wa ya bu ijo aditali iru wa bun very obedo ijo wa agwo wa ho menu we wa je na ijo retaliate longtemps o wa support no pe wa mu go ju ohun okeke nu we ti ayo ma pe ana o te support nu ga je bodota ijo wa mo we
ije me mo me na we o ma ko ni la wa zebe se ikije oya ka mo me wo kitegbe ya to tayo wa anything ya be assist we all those issue where ye dey call me or call over to me we bi ni aje no mo fu ni a eze yo egume kwa ena te we do I just say no bag no be WhatsApp we do I ti me mi ya no dey gbe mu me do mu me la wo mo
ijo egu we gun yo ima do muti amegbi are lani
okay what's it
awa agwa gun awa hu ibi ni jo wa tama we no wa take care very o udu wa nya na ade we bodo asuse iya ya ni bunti ya vivi yan no ma vivi ya ebere ogun so o be ale ra wa se dan ya be ya give ya mama sha no when I give ya view. It's not compulsory where Agmoya must vivi yan ade we bo no it's not compulsory maybe you were marry me but o me late na but usually dey ba egwa ba tie we Anabe wa odon iti ene where shall we do a lani wash hello call J maintenant ijore no from France emi ya wa jese wa talk me eje won ma no gun a
igba ere we bo ti lele we egbe so won no gun
call J we no dion o dogun megun we no ko na dion Anabe oge tan owe ni maimi awe nu forgiving yen zebe ni yaka odonu we ni yen o me yen na ye ahun mo yen owe imagine ye wo mo wi yen ni lawo wo ni deba yen ni mi awe nu waja bi yen nu forgiving yen yere lani na be nu we kwon na yere second lani o dam yo on le me o mi me no call J egbe wara ma ya call J nugi
ara to ti kulu no ma sa money a word of faith in ajo iwe ka ma we e bible ka wo nwana bie o we je ni eri enu umagba wo mo ni eri enu eje ni eri enu umagba wo mo ni eri enu eje ni eri enu ni problem omo nu we to bugwa de ni problem ebe no nwa me na ewe ejara eba butie o to bo tie eje the bible owu ye tikude ehe fire no nde jeni umagba we ni nde jara ya te the bible udo money or yi me ya go ekwa sister isu stay no money ijo mo agwo mo gwo we giving wow ogwe a soko no kin yori ipa ha emegbe ni ya mwe a boy no be nani o wuru gban o mwele kia igo igbe ri ya igbe
Yo.
understanding area re longdo ekele we bona nenu miere na ma do twe gbe na igbe kakabo igwa le mi o jawe lasile ekele na like cotis ekele na we debate too na drekivi Nigeria ke ade we bu imala one day because of you ado dia konoro egbe do dia ngwa miere na Italy na le jena no na ro pa no wo kare kaye ero beni go mi me gwase eru gban era igere pa yo werare okwe igwa okwe me wo bu na me no ye ge ni wada wa no eri awedi ara expect
No kawala lọ́jọ́.
Omagume begu ije to magume begu stop begu tin omo tani bi e wa ni no sinwi mure iye na gbe wa o e ya pe werare ya pe ye gbe we bu na de we bu this year viral ke ina ko akoke ahen na and marriages ko ke ni money pages evi me inya na du me ahe mogeli biya igilira we bu ndiye na so se but ya go bi we go ho I pray I fast I we ya na wo bi na egbupe na hunu wole egbupe na hunu wole yes oda bi we there oni ya mokodo ba we kwa ya wo ko efuana me tu ya mete go about idoga me no salo bata yuto ije bo agbera e no salo bo egbera omo kudo se me no te ma no da study o se se ubi o no yin ya ni wi ku emi ma voice ta igo ni eze jo hu yes it even though a declaration we may be clear ma pe ni ya fe re there ni ya mu ya la we do ni ya mu ya la we do because ni agbera 18 years na igi so ti mu ya ina e no pe na ro ere Nigeria ni travel as no pe you understand it ono na ho omo pe na ro ga hele no o ma hele understand it o padeve do me na ira we go aro for good 30 years omo mare ije we no bia me na o we do mu we la bia do go to do we ya do me we ya we local spam zero local spam organiga hin ije ge so are we bu ne je na be lele okekere ni 2017 Emma we give ya be ai yaro aro pano we ile bu ile bla bu wa se be de ko do we no so bo agwale wa agbonwaji iri oji di o go di go na me be e la so ni ere ni be kind the story about me ya wa no go manda start me so yeah but no ba bi me na o so mo ke o so mo nyere manda start me na but before I went on the church, Ejo, I went on one Ejo, took with the near bonny with Momo, that Motomo at the church on Ajo. I may be a fool, we are seeing when I went to laugh, we won't do it. Even when the hair starts, but I went to website. Never already made Google or Bonabura Salubo. After the way to Google or go to Salubuane. And really, we are very acquio. You just on Saluba West.
Wese je wa ma wese wa ma e bodo ho ewe eminiye uwe ege ma bodo ho wa o e owe be o mata mi ye bete kinye ka mi egujiye mu yin wewe okeye ije no ma we ge te kweni e we gbe aji owu wese kinye ke mo ri ota ma me ba
no me no gwalo ibogo ka na munia wa ya ri rai Ngwara la ngwara be da koti ngwara like ni yanda. Ndugwa na like pewebu. De no gwalo. Umagi block la gbo we Nigeria ni lo ya we. Ola be ola gbada. Ya re Nigeria o wa me to ta ya pe get ngwa me du ya igba. Because we ma fi do ma be gi me le we are mo ko na sa gbo we yule. Me le we a we gbo gba we yo. Ngwana o yo na soto so wa call you we oda fin wa ro wa o fo wa ring o we area no good wa le tin ya But say, I know you were better one let's see for a warranty. But say, I realize, we are still book one on Navi. Kevani Lazia, when you cast a star. I bet I got where a bit wearing while we go every year with you. West the Cacabo. Cacabo, a prayer, and you forgive them that way.
West J. West. You know, hey, soon, no, it went vaccine. Hello, which one?
Hello.
Oh, Emenuta.
Hello.
Hello, come on me, record.
What's our West?
Yeah.
Who's your roster?
Tama wuri gwe no nerunu. When you are nerunu.
I mean, la little me forgive me.
We not forgive you when on nerunu.
Yeah, I'm not well because even the room, make watch a bono one way, it's a bonoma. But if you take time away, we're no woman, you're more. You're enough, Lasona. You can look at a mommy juriga. Irina Seno.
West.
Irina Seboni. A vocabulary and a blessed of your way. Who are we? He is new movie. When we be able to anyway. And it might be to be here one day. But it's that boy and who be mommy jury. Ndo salobwa. Mama, so baba na bag mama o.
Ise.
Owo abi mama my sister.
Ise, mommy, ko wese me ve waro kwa ba o. Wese. Okay, eruna na no na webe nu meri omo ga o ogele se. Ose. Ose. Obi oteme na oteme awe always eru ni jeme wa anane owe be nu meri omo ga o gele go and look at them today ye twera o ti wa gwera arogwa for one month e be twera and the same thing era ga u da jeme ije wese be nu na no do na no wese mo abi ibe koti e ma na lele eri ya be jeme Paris e ma iziga.
You have to know, okay, no, I think book penny. Well, I'm making it my area no good. It was you. Oh, what does everyone look with the bone? I'm better class in it. But we may have with money with body. This has not been sent a good call. You know what I said, you're right, say. Of your go, even when my face come, of your go, my still my equal. I know my class by you go or anything. They think listen way. You respect yourself. Push in your person no worry anyway. No matter anything. No, even in generation. No women with baby another. You cannot drink in Nigeria. I'm a million bottle in Nigeria. You can't deal with boys. A cottage everybody. A big slaughter is not in no one to Ovi bo ma le ki. You may don't understand it. Even so for na Africa yeko. Cut it to go by. Every Korea ya just we can like if we call you jinyare, but the mala one day. I am you may not deal. We are only cut it ma. For what reason? Tell me what reason. One. At least. Wese momiru dawe ndo salobwa
wese wato wese ke na kpo ga yin menu e ugwa ifa ga jebe no bira bi je wese ko ije ogu wese obi mama webo do mama juwe
Mommy wese
o saweko
mama mommy private no bi me ya ti we na we meti store e won story ma wese o okote wa begun megun
but me na me I will just call you my
okay ma je wese o go wese yes umeti ti story re WhatsApp iwo won wa ti me na mu drop a message WhatsApp me do ti we were gbe wese o ko baba what's it? Ati wa bere mi opa. Emi ni wa appreciate wo we ya. ije na wa respect meme ona we tawe no na emo mijore kwa bege gwo. Respect is very good. Good name is better than rich name. Ye we yetebe oni yetebe ti meni ya do tale mo bi o kana tebe ya do mo mo ejo mo bo. Ama go bi o kana be rebu mi ate. Because story o ge me ya ta ma we no. Ah hello.
Oh, mommy.
Osaloba we se we o mo problem na ade ma bege runi ni juete wa na no eni o wa se there is nobody era bi je ta ma we no hu meri o mo ga owe almost to sunu ohono ma ni ga e Christian almost to amo mo pa no stubborn if no we je ni je na meru ni ne almost to sunu me wa ma ya be gbe be na wa gun na iya ma ikwe jere self we be ni a we je me e je me na meru ni ni ya ma ikwe jere yes but I was there. Iwa areba especially ramen no ro e ramen ije me wa we ramen mi o wa mu ti adesi bae o we nu we o ri o mo ga we be nu we gele no be ni wa gun anana ati me o ye no dion iya ye no e cataract o ma ko uti me ba ko e mana mu drop a message won ko igogo nu o site we wa try no dey by prayer me won dey by prayer odo e problem we na wa we no ya do live for here ba ko e keke u me ni neru john we no we prayer
Okay.
ko site we hello good evening my brother, God bless you. Thank God. Bless you too. And a woman be your whole problem. She's 4 years, you never near woman. Any woman where you toast, you go say because you dey do charity, she not go follow you. God forbid bad things. No, charity people they get wife, my brother. Maybe now your attitude, the way you speak, because I know many of my members here. I know many of my members now charity that they do, they get woman for house. Your attitude was good. So if you just tell them say na charity they do, they go just run away from you.
They're not going to take my call. They'll say they're not fit suffer. I'm telling you the truth.
They go say they're not going to fit suffer. No, you know they exist here.
If they exist, they'll say
No, for my program, you know they exist. They not fit tell me say you they do charity say they not carry you never. Then you are really bad.
they'll say the first follow person before this plan life. When things come, they go. The man come misbehave. So with that now, they don't fit follow person beginner. So hello.
It's there, brother man.
Okay.
Okay.
You're okay. Good evening.
My brother, no worry. My people, they're not the select here. The most important thing, you are a Christian. Okay? Charity is a work in Europe. It's not a 419. It's not this thing. I won't find my this thing. I won't find my brother they talk. I won't find my this thing. Where I keep this thing?
Hello? 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 Hello?
Oh my God. Ah, Salubwa. My brother, where are you from? Oviedo.
Yes.
So if we don't have a time with your not to wear, we are little way. Yeah, where you come with your not your my favor. Yeah.
Now that's the demand. The beginner, the first suffer together. When it's come okay, the man come to give. Because all those things, they don't fit follow man, they plan life.
They not fit follow my suffer again. How many you don't see where tell you that kind of thing?
We don't reach like 2.
The same thing. When you go be as you say.
With that, I know if you go put hand for bad things, even with one room of over, if you pay our strength, it's over 4 years now. If they do everything. As you they talk, the advice when they give us, I they watch you, I be your follower. They watch you well, I like you, I like what you they do. God will bless you.
Bless you too.
As you they talk, say, man, when not get document. I'll just tell the truth. I even told you cannot lie.
Not lie to them. Yeah?
Because if
God will give you better woman where go follow you even if you not get documents.
And I like they like lie. If you lie to them, they go like you. But lie no go. Any relationship when you use lie start.
You not supposed.
Not go.
You not good.
Like,
I don't write your number. How old you say you did?
40 years old.
40 years.
Yeah.
You go get wife today in the name of Jesus.
Amen.
How many children?
I have one son in Nigeria. One.
Okay, one. In the name of Jesus, no worry. I'm not even like a brother now. A charity, amigo. Oh, I'm not a charity, amigo. You want to prove my no tie where. Yeah, I said to look be a son. Sister Domwe, 40 years old. When no ya go, why I got responsible. This is original man for you. Come on. Hello, God bless you. Testimony.
Mommy, Yuri, I talk be.
He said.
Yeah, kasi wakpa mawene. Mommy, Yuri, do worry. Mommy, Yuri, do worry. Ekina do. Mommy, Yuri, he follow our way.
Okay.
Iwami, Emiyanu. Osalovwa okiafia boy.
He said.
Mommy Yuri, a problem emu obi yame hiaji.
A problem when we were now why woku.
Emu no iji eya ni to sivo lani igigo yari obei.
You want no we go. They can on me Facebook.
Facebook na wa mi ya.
Wa mi kwa iwe be no years weje
32 years ejiji.
32 years unogi na unog
Iwa nyok. La wuji.
Atogi ma
Ewu itugi imeti itugi ma we imera meji.
Atogi ma wo o ma uno mo me
Imai bie mayo.
o ma na we are la no kwa iwe ala tia be na
Enyoji.
enwi so me ma kemiri eyi ai you calculate testimony giveaway. A giveaway, the man only kakabawa. The work is too much for me. Oh, Jamie, you're weak.
Hello, mommy, you start to come on. Mommy, now we're telling you no be Olivier, no region, me marrying here.
It's your daughter. Well, I need the number Olivier. It's your daughter, not your Baba. Hello, it's a more better a form in your life. Hello, God bless you.
God bless you, mommy. Come, mommy.
Come,
mommy.
Come,
mommy. He said, "Jail something where to come." But I don't know when we should not call in nowhere. I'm not in Nigeria. I work 40 years in age. Mommy, a problem here.
When need they?
Okay.
Okay.
41 years age. In a bay in winter. Any problem?
Oh.
Yeah, problem, my. Well, we so raw. But me and my beer 41 years. You can work by December now.
Itavia mama ni uwe ni bade no bade no e wa marriage boy
ya ima wa marry I want you bene so forward that kind o not dey straight forward the wagwalo I got a problem mommy
baby e ya gwa ba mama gwa be go ma no dey nice no you go no e I go atola go wa I go Gama Matoveo. If anybody not bad but Italy, anybody not bad no walk back one.
Okay,
Mama, would you best see a mo? Would you respect again?